everyone. Today I want to explain to you kinds of reading text with the generic structure and language features. But for the first time, I want to introduce myself. My name is Emmanuel Christian Resilai. You can call me Chris. There's 7 types of kind of reading text. The first one is the descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text which describes a person or a thing, place, and certain conditions in particular. Generic structure of descriptive text is the first one, identification. It's identify a certain object to be described. The second one is descriptions. It describes the object and the part, size, characteristic, or qualities. Language features of described text. The first one using simple present tense. The second one using action verb. The third one using adverb. The fourth one using special technical terms. And the fifth one is using attribute and identifying process. Number 6, using adjective and classifiers in nominal group. The second one is report text. Report text is a text to identify an object and describe the object or thing and its classification, class, group, or species. Generic structure of report text is the first one, general classification. The second one is description. Language features of report text has 3. The first one, introduction, group or general aspect, using conditional or logical connection, and the last one, using simple present tense. The third text is procedure text. Procedure text is the text that helps the readers how to do or make something completely. Generic structure of procedure text is the first one, the goal or the aims. The second one is material, equipment, tools, or ingredients. And the third one is step or methods. Language features of procedure text is using simple present tense, using imperative sentence, using adverb, using technical terms. The next one is review text. Review text is a text to critique or evaluate for a public audience. Generic structure of review text is orientation, evaluation, interpretative recount, evaluation, and evaluative summation. Language features of review text is focus and specific, participant, using adjective, using long and complex clauses, and using metaphor. The next text is explanation text. Explanation text is text to explain the process, involve the information on or working of natural or social cultural phenomena. Generic structure of explanation text is general statement, explanation, and the last one is closing. Language feature of explanation text using simple present tense, using action verbs and passive voice, and the last one is using adverbial phrase and noun phrase. The next is narrative text. Narrative text is a text to amuse or entertain the reader and to tell a story. The generic structure of narrative text is orientation, complication, resolution, and orientation. Language feature of narrative text. Using past tense, using action verb, and chronology arrange. The next text is recount text. Recount text is a text to retell something that happened in the past. Generic structure of recount text. The first one is orientation. Provides the setting and introduce participants. The second one, event. Tell what happened and what sequence. The third one is reorientation. Optional closure of event. Language features of recount text. The first one is using past tense, using action verb, and using adjective. The next text is discussion text. Discussion text is a text to present information and opinion about issues in more one side of an issue. Generic structure of discussion text is issue, arguments, and against, and the last one is conclusion. Language features of discussion text is using simple present tense, use of relative verb or to be, using thinking verb, using general and abstract noun, using conjunction or transition, using modality, using adverb of manner. Okay, I think that's all about the explanation kinds of reading text. Thank you and see you. Bye-bye.